What is she doing?
Sarah.
He just tore his head off.
It's wearing a new face.
It's that guy's.
Oh my god!
This would be scary.
Oh dear. Don't do it, Logan! You're gonna get killed, Logan! Your boyfriend's gonna die, Gretchen.
I know.
It's zoomed in.
The 9 is big. Remember?
What's big?
What if he's an hour away? We're just going the wrong direction. There are cops on the way, man. And you want the rest of us to sit underneath that big hole in the roof and hope that thing doesn't come crashing in here? What do you mean, the rest of us? I mean, it's time to stop being polite. There are 2 classes of people on this bus now. It had its pick of 20 of us back there, and it picked 2. Dante was gone. Another one was you, Jake. Damn it, so we all go for you, Bucky.
What the hell is that supposed to mean, huh? 2 classes of people? What the will be eaten and the won't be eaten, Scotty?
Mixie says this thing gets